Hi everyone, I'm Pranita Kocharekar, a designer, illustrator, and small business owner. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to design a professional print-ready menu card using Adobe Express. So whether you run a cafe, a restaurant, or your own home bakery, this step-by-step guide will show you how to design your own stunning menu card even if you're not a designer. Let's start by heading over to adobe.com/express. Under the Create drop-down, click Document Menu. You'll see a wide range of editable templates from modern restaurant menus to elegant coffee shop and dessert layouts in this online menu maker. I'm choosing this template, but before editing, let's understand the layout. A standard food menu design includes a logo or a header section, category sections like starters, mains, desserts, and a footer with contact details or a QR code. So let's edit this menu card keeping this basic structure in mind. I've tweaked the existing design elements for the header of the menu. Next, we are going to create a logo. In the Elements section under Icons, Adobe Express has already recommended ideas based off my design. After a bit of browsing, I settled on this icon and it automatically chose a color based on my design. Next, I'm heading to the text section and using one of the recommended fonts for the logo. And once I'm happy with the icon and the text, I'm going to make sure that it's positioned to the center of the menu card by using the Align option. Next, I'm updating the brand colors using the brand kit feature, so every element follows the same color palette. And here's how you can create your brand kit. You can either create your own color palette so you know what colors go well together right here, or you can enter in the hex values of your brand colors. Based off my logo font, I'm using the recommended fonts by the app for the headers. I'm going to change the background color to match my color palette. And next is time to fill the cafe menu design. So you can double click the text to edit categories and items. And make sure you're using clear section titles. For example, beverages, breakfast specials, or desserts. Adobe Express lets you adjust font hierarchy, spacing, and alignment to make sure everything looks neat and readable. To make your menu visually engaging, let's add a few photos. You can either do this by going to Elements and adding your own photo, or you can also generate a custom image using Adobe's text-to-image feature the way I did. For example, my prompt is chocolate pancakes with honey dripping zoomed in, and this is the image I chose. You can also choose to remove the background if your design demands that. Here's how you do it. You simply click on the image and click on remove background. And to make your square image a circle, you simply click on corners and drag the toggle button all the way to the end. If you take online orders or reservations, you can also add a QR code at the bottom. So to highlight that section, we are going into Elements, selecting a rectangle. And we're adding a simple text at the bottom in a contrasting color so that it stands out. Next, let's head over to the home page, click on Generate QR, put in your URL and download your QR code. I'm finally tweaking the colors to make sure that all the brand colors are seen on the menu design. And that's it. Once your design looks perfect, you can click on download and select the PDF that's best for print to get a high resolution print file. If you're creating a digital menu, you can download it as a JPEG or a PNG, perfect for sharing it or uploading to your website. Pro tip, you can print your menu on a matte paper and have it pasted on a thick sunboard for a premium elegant feel. Try this yourself using Adobe Express. The link is in the caption below. If you found this helpful, then make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more such design tutorials.